Hi viewers, welcome to GMATI Maths. In this video, we are going to see in exercise 1.1 first 5 questions from the first chapter relations and functions. Okay, before entering to the class, please subscribe our channel. Okay, see the first problem. The set A and B is given, then they ask you to find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. So one by one we have to find. Here A cross B, you have to write A cross B. You have to write the first set A here. It is given in the roster form, so it will be very easy. And then put cross Cartesian product of these two sets 1 comma minus 4. Okay, now we can write the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but set of all ordered pairs of these two sets. So you have to make the ordered pair of the first element. We have to take the first element of the first set and then you have to make the ordered pair with the element of the second set. Okay, so that if we take the first element 2, then we have to make the ordered pair with these two elements. So 2 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 4. And then we have to take the second element. We have to make the ordered pair with this. So these two minus 2 comma minus 4. And then if you take the third one 3 comma 1 and 3 comma minus 4. That's all. This is A cross B, Cartesian product of the sets A and B. Then A cross A is there. So here A cross A. How do you write A cross A? A, you have to write A, set A minus 2, 3 cross the same set you have to write 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Then how to write that Cartesian product of these two sets? A cross the same set. So you have to take the first element, the same procedure. You have to take the first element of the first set and then you have to make the ordered pair with the first element with the element of the second set. So here 2 comma 2, 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Then if you take the second one minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma the third one 3. Then if you take the third one 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. Okay, that's all. This is A cross A. Then they ask you to find B cross A. B cross A. You can write the set B as first. Okay, so you have to write 1 comma minus 4. Cross, write the second set A. Second set A 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So you have to write the Cartesian product. So you have to make the ordered pairs, possible ordered pairs of these two sets. So you have to take the first element 1 and you have to make ordered pair with 1 with the elements of the second set, these 3. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3. Then if you take the second element minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma this 3. That's all, this B cross A. Okay, the first division is finished. Then see the second one. Second one is the set A equal to B equal to B, P and Q. That is the set P and Q. Both sets A and B are equal sets. So here we have to take, that is the set A is also P comma Q. The set B is also having the same element. So now we have to find out the 3 A cross B. So A cross B equal to, first you have to write A, set A cross, they have to write the set B. B is also the same, having the same element. So you can write as it is. Then you have to write the ordered pairs. You have to take the first element of the first set. Then you have to make the ordered pair with the element of the second set. So P with P, P comma P and P comma Q. And then if you take the second element Q comma P and then Q comma Q. Okay, so A cross B is finished. Then we have to find out A cross A. A cross A. A is the same set P comma Q having the two elements. Cross the same P comma Q. The same answer will come. Here see here P comma Q, P comma Q. Here not cross, it is P comma Q. Okay. So here also the same. So you have to write the same will come. Okay, again because here the same sets, these two sets are same in the previous step also. So P comma P, same we have to write, and P comma Q Q comma P and Q comma Q. This one finished. Then B cross A, you have to write the B cross A. B cross A, you have to write the B set P comma Q cross the set AS P comma Q, because both sets are equal sets. Okay, so you have to write the Cartesian product. So you have to take P comma Q, P comma, like the previous steps, the same will come. So P comma P comma P comma Q, Q comma P comma Q comma Q. Okay, that's all. In this problem, see that A cross B and B cross A both are equal. P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, Q comma Q. These two sets are equal. So from this we can say A cross B is equal to B cross A only if A and B are equal sets. Equal sets are இருக்கும்போது மட்டுமே A cross B யும் B cross A யும் equal இருக்கும். இல்லாட்டா A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay, then the third division, A equal to M comma N and B equal to empty set. So you have to write, you have to find out these three. First one is A cross B. A is M cross M comma N and B is the empty set. There is no element, empty set. So you have to make the Cartesian product. You have to make the ordered pairs. Okay, so you have to take the first element M and you have to make ordered pair with the element of the second set. Here there is no element, so how can we make ordered pair? We can't. So that here there will not be any ordered pair. So A cross B is nothing but empty set. Already in note in the previous video I have told that in any one of the non-empty set, any one of the set A and B is empty set, then the Cartesian product of those two sets should be empty. Okay, so that we can't find out the any ordered pair here, so that A cross B is empty set. Then A cross A, the next one is A cross A. A is M comma N and B is also the same element, having the same element, same set. Okay, just you can write now here. You have to take the first element M and you have to make the ordered pair of the element of the second set. So M with M and M with N. So M comma M and M comma N. Then if you take the second element N comma M and N comma N. That's all. A cross A. And the last one is B cross A. B is empty set. Cross A is M comma N. Here also, here there is no element. So we can't make any ordered pair with that empty set. So that B cross A is empty set. See the second question. Let A, the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 and the set B is set of all x such that x is a prime number less than 10. And find A cross B and B cross A. One of the set B is in set builder form, so you have to write it in roster form. Then only we can able to find out the Cartesian product of the sets A and B. Okay, so here first here A is given, you have to write as it is because it is in the roster form already. Then you have to write that B as in roster form. First for that you have to see the condition. The x is the element of the set B and that element should be the prime number. X is a prime number less than 10. So the prime number starts from 2 because 1 is not prime. Okay, so we can write it starts from 2 and then next one is 3 and then 5 and 7. Next prime is 11. But the condition is given as prime number is less than 10. So up to 7 only. So we can have 4 elements in the set B, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all the prime numbers less than 10. Okay, in prime number, in number system, all the prime numbers are odd number except this number 2. This only one prime number is an even number. Only one prime number is even number, that is nothing but 2. So this 2 is called as even prime number. Even prime number. Only one prime number is there. Okay, so A and B is we have found in roster form. Now we have to find A cross B. Just you can write A cross B. 2, 3, 5, 7. Write the cross product, Cartesian product. So you have to make the Cartesian product in the sense set of all possible ordered pairs of the two sets. For that you have to take the first element of the first set, then you have to make the ordered pair with the first set with the element of the second set. So if we take 1, you have to write the ordered pair of these 2, 4, these 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5 and 1, 7. Then if you take the second one, second element 2 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. And if you take the third element 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. That's all. This is A cross B. Then next they ask you to find B cross A. So you have to write B cross A. So for that first set you have to write the B as first. So B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross the first set is 1, 2, 3 A. So now you have to write the Cartesian product. You have to take the first element of the first set and you have to make the ordered pair with the elements of the second set. So 2 comma here 1 and 2 comma with the second element 2, 2 comma third element 3. The next one you have to take the second element of the first set 3 with you have to combine this 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. Then if you take the third one 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3. If you take the fourth one 7 comma 1, 7 comma 2 and 7 comma 3. That's all. This is B cross A. Okay, so the second question is finished. See the third one. If B cross A is, they have given the Cartesian product, that is the collection of all possible ordered pairs is given, then they ask you to find A and B. We have to find the set A as well as B. So in the ordered pair, the first coordinate should be taken from the first set. Here the first set is given as B, not A. Okay, so we have to write the first one is B. First we have to write the first. We have to collect the first coordinate. Then you have to write that first coordinate inside the set notation. Okay, that is the set which is nothing but B. So see the first coordinate -2, 0, 0, 3, 3. So you have to write the first coordinate inside the set notation. But inside the set notation, that is the element should be written only once. It should not repeat again. So we have to write -2 only once and then 0 one time and 3 one time. That's all. These three elements are the elements of the set B. Okay, because it is the first coordinate. Here it is B cross A. So the first coordinate taken from this set B. So that element of the set B is this one. Then we have to find out that element of the set A. Okay, element here the set is given as the second one. So the second coordinate should be taken from the second set. See the second coordinate 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So this 3, 4 coming thrice, 3 times. But we have to write only one time inside the set notation. It will not repeat again inside the set notation. So 3, 4 only one time it will come. So these are the elements of the set A, of the set A. So like that we can find out A and B. See the fourth question. If A equal to 5, 6, B and C, 3 sets are given, then they ask you to show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So you have to write every set is in roster form. So it will be very easy to find out this. So first here you can write A cross A. A cross A, first you can write A. The set A 5, 6, put cross and then you have to write the same set A 5, 6. Okay, now you have to write the Cartesian product of these two sets A. So you have to make the ordered pair with that 5 first. So 5, this one 5 and 5, this 6. Then if you take the second element, then 6, 5 and 6, 6. This is A cross A, that's all. And then this is left hand side. Okay. Okay, then we can take this one as 1. Okay. And then here right hand side, B cross B and C cross C is inside the bracket. So we have to find out first. So B cross B. B, the set B we have to write 4, 5, 6 cross again the same set 4, 5, 6. Now we have to write the Cartesian product. Here we have to take the first element, then we have to make the ordered pair of the element of the second set. So 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. And then you have to take the second element 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. And then take the third element 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. That's all. Okay. Then C cross C you have to find out. C cross C you have to write the element C 5, 6, 7. The same you have to write 5, 6, 7. Then you have to write the cross product, Cartesian product. You have to make the ordered pair 5, this 5 and 5 comma 6, 5 comma 7, and you have to take the second element 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6 and 6 comma 7, and then if you take the third one 7 comma 5, 7 comma 6, 7 comma 7. Okay, so now right hand side, we have to find out the right hand side. Right hand side is B cross B intersection C cross C. B cross B is here and C cross C is here. Intersection means you have to write the common element. You have to collect the common element. Here 4 comma 4, here there is no 4 comma 4. So this 4 comma 4 is not common, and 4 comma 5 is also not common, and 4 comma 6 is also not common. And see this 5 comma 4 is not here, and 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6 is there. Here also 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. So these two are common element, 5 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. And then see 6 comma 4 is not here, so this is not common one. 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6 is here. Okay, so these two are common. And then 6 comma 7, the rest of the 4 ordered pair is not in the B cross B, so these are not common. Okay, so you have to write as it is. This is, we can take it as 2. Now we have to compare with 1 here, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So 1 equal to 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore A cross A is nothing but B cross B intersection C cross C. Okay, see the fifth question. A, B, C, D, 4 sets are given. Then they ask you to prove that this they asked this left hand side is equal to right hand side is true or not. So we have to find out. First one is left hand side. First here what are all the terms is given inside the bracket. So you have to find first A intersection C. We can start from A intersection C. So A intersection C. A is this here, C is here. So you have to write that intersection of these two set. Intersection means you have to collect the common elements. That element should be in A and in C. So which element is in A and in C? Only 3. This 1 and 2 is not in C, and 3 is also A and C. Okay, 3 is in A as well as in C, and 4 is in C but it is not in A. So only one element 3. A intersection C we have found. Next one is B intersection D. B intersection D. So the set B and D. You have to compare that. You have to see that two sets B and D intersection. You have to find out intersection. If there is any common elements are there. See here 2 is here, but here there is no 2. So 2 is not common one. Here also 1 is there. Here there is no 1. So 1 is also not common. And but 3 and 5, here also 3 and 5 is there. So 3 comma 5 is common elements. And then A cross B. So first here A, left hand side A intersection C and B intersection D we have found. Then I am going to find left hand side totally. What is left hand side? A intersection C cross Cartesian product of A intersection C and B intersection D. How to find? A intersection C already we have found is singleton set 3 cross B intersection D is 3 comma 5. So just you have to write the Cartesian product. You have to make the ordered. Cartesian product means it is the ordered pairs, or set of all ordered pairs. So 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Okay, 3 comma you have to make the ordered pair, and 3 comma the second element 3 comma 5. That's all. This we can take it as 1. This is left hand side. Then right hand side here A cross B and C cross D we have to find out. After that we have to find the intersection. So A cross B. What is A cross B? A, you can write A 1 2 3, and then cross B is 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, so you have to write the A cross B Cartesian product. So you have to take the first element and you have to make the ordered pair with these 3. Okay, so 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 5. And then if you take the second element 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 5. And if you take the third element 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. Okay, this is A cross B. A cross B. Okay, and then C cross D. We have to find out C cross D. C, the set C you have to write cross D. This is 1 3 5. Then we have to write the Cartesian product. So you have to find the write all ordered pairs. So if you take the first element 3, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. If you take the second element 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. Okay, so here what is the right hand side? Right hand side is A cross B intersection C cross D, which is equal to, intersection means it should be the common element. We have to collect the common elements of these two sets, A cross B and C cross D. A cross B is here, C cross D is here. So see, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5. The first coordinate is 1. Here there is no first coordinate is 1. So these three are not common. And see that second coordinate here, the 2 was the first coordinate, 2, 2, 2. Here there is no 2 in first coordinate. So these 3 is also not common. Then see this 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. There is no 3 comma 2 here. So 3 comma 2 is also not common. 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5 is here, and here also 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 5. So only these two elements are common elements. Then rest of the 3 comma 4 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5 are in C cross D, but it is not in A cross B. So it is not, this one also not common one. So we can take this one is 2. Now you have to compare with 1. See that 1 here, here 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. So 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, they have asked whether this is true or not. So we have proved that these two, this left hand side is equal to this one. So the given one is true. So therefore, A intersection C cross B intersection D equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Both are equal, and this is true. They asked whether it is true or not. So this is true. That's all. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.